Let's find the exact value of a trig function where the angle is larger than 2 pi radians. Alright, in this case we're looking for the secant of 22 pi thirds. That's certainly larger than 2 pi radians. So what we want is an angle that's coterminal with that between 0 and 2 pi. What we'll do is a series of subtraction problems where we're going to take off 2 pi in three cases here, and I'm going to write our 2 pi as 6/3 pi. And if we keep doing this, we'll be successful here. We're going to come up with a value of 4 pi thirds, and this is a coterminal angle. So what we're looking for then is the secant of 4 pi thirds. Now we know 4 pi thirds is in quadrant 3. And because that is in quadrant 3, we can find our reference angle theta prime by taking 4 pi thirds minus pi. And then our reference angle in this case will be pi thirds. So let's look at our base triangle when our reference angle is pi thirds, and we have this drawn here in the third quadrant. We are looking for the secant of 4 pi thirds. And the secant, remember, is the hypotenuse over the adjacent side. So let's tie this all together. We have the secant of 22 pi thirds. We can look at this reference triangle. From this, we're going to take the hypotenuse over the adjacent side. 2 over a -1 will give us simply a -2, and from that we have the exact secant value.